what is the benefits of playing this kind of game. So the first benefit is that you can help encourage your children to drink more water, because playing with this game you play with water. So by doing so, you can encourage children to drink more water. As we know, there's nothing wrong in drinking more water. It's healthy for your skin. So the next benefits of playing with this game is that it can help increase your children fine motor skill, at least its finger skill, because in order to dispense the water you need to use your finger and to be able to manipulate those hands in order to press the dispenser. So last but not least, it can help your children to be more independent. So if your child have already played this game, already know how to play this game, so it wouldn't be a problem for them if they want to take water on their own. So they don't need to ask for their help, and also they can feel more encouraged or to be more independent. So they don't need the parents' help. They can take water whenever they want it. So that is all from me for the benefits of playing with water dispenser. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and Assalamualaikum.